So for this tutorial, you're going to need your Google Chrome web browser because this browser is a lot easier to follow these steps. So once you open up Instagram, you're going to go to the top right corner, then select the three vertical dots. Afterwards, you're going to go down and select More Tools. Then select the option at the bottom which says Developer Tools. Now, alternatively, you can also use Ctrl+Shift+I, or you can hit the F12 key to open the Developer Tools. Then go to the top here and select the icon which has a laptop and a phone. Afterwards, it's going to change your Instagram to the mobile version. All you need to do is simply restart your web page. So go to the top here, top left, then select the reload option. Afterwards, you can simply just use Instagram like it's the mobile version. Then go to the top here, then select the plus icon, and then select story. And you're going to find the specific image or video that you want to upload to your story. So once you find your specific image or video, go to the bottom and then select add to your story. And there you go.